Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Assalamualaikum. I hope you're doing well. So for today's video, I'm gonna do a foundation review. This is the foundation that I'm gonna review today. It's a Dior body and face and body foundation. So first of all, I'm gonna share some information about this foundation. Okay, this foundation intrigued me because it's a top selling foundation on Sephora Malaysia punya website. So, foundation ni claim to be sweat and oil proof. So, maybe it has a matte finish, I think. What surprised me about this foundation is it's Dior. Dior macam kira luxury punya produk. But the price is 100 and 155 ringgit only for a 50 millimeter punya foundation. Biasa standard foundation punya volume 30 mm, but this one macam ada 20 mm extra for foundation. Oh, by the way, I picked the 2WP shade to one peach shade. I'm gonna show you the bottle. Botol dia sebenarnya agak nampak murah lah, sebab dia tak ada pump pun, dia just macam ni je. Biasa kalau foundation yang foundation Dior yang lain kan dia ada pump semua, and then botol dia kaca, yang ni botol dia plastik. Actually foundation ni untuk backstage punya fashion show ke punya kegunaan lah. Dia punya texture and dia punya formula memang sangat cair and very natural finish. So if you want to know how this foundation work on my skin, so please keep on watching. For today's look, I'm just gonna do a simple and natural look because this foundation pun macam natural punya finish. First of all, guna use moisturizer. This is from Bio Essence. I suka gila moisturizer ni sebab dia ringan gila and water based. Beli kat drugstore je. Then spray sikit. I'm gonna just use my favorite primer sebab I banyak gila pores. I'm just gonna correct my under eye using Elegant concealer. Now I'm gonna use this foundation. Okay, ini dia punya close up. This foundation kan, you all kalau banyak cela, banyak parut jerawat semua nak kena cover, bagi I tak sesuai. Kalau you all macam just kulit dah memang licin, kulit tak ada parut-parut sangat, tapi macam ada pigmentation sikit-sikit, boleh lah. This foundation also I ada baca juga review. Diorang kata foundation ni bau dia macam jadi bau macam wangi-wangi sikit. So kalau you all macam alah sikit kepada bau kosmetik yang wangi-wangi, maybe this not for you. So I'm just gonna use miracle sponge to blend. So as you can see, kulit I still nampak macam skin I lagi, macam tak pakai foundation sangat. Ni dah pakai, ni belum. Tak blend lagi, ni dah blend. Senang gila nak blend sebab dia cair. Ni pula I akan cuba pakai brush, tengok ada perbezaan ke tak. So far dua-dua okey, pakai sponge boleh, pakai boleh. So kalau you all tengok betul, dia macam tak cover habis sangat lah. Still nampak natural, macam tak pakai foundation kan. As you can see, foundation ni dia memang medium coverage je, tapi I macam dia boleh je nak build up lagi, tapi I think I didn't want to build up because I think it's okay lah. okay lah for a natural punya makeup. I'm gonna use Too Faced concealer. I'm gonna contouring my face with Rimmel concealer. Okay, so I'm gonna set my face using Silky Girl loose powder. I already primed and set my eyes with the powder. So for today's eye makeup look, I'm just gonna use this shadow. This is Ferrarosa eyeshadow called Gula Melaka. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this shade from Too Faced Sweet Peach called Luscious. Dan ambil gula Melaka sikit and then blend. Gonna use NYX pigment in the shade 06 Stunner. Okay, untuk bawah mata ni I taruh sikit je gula Melaka. Lepas tu ambil warna Luscious untuk highlight. Contouring my face using BH Cosmetic palette. Now I'm gonna contouring my nose. Blusher, I'm gonna use this shade. Gonna do my mascara and lashes off camera. Okay, so as you can see, I just put on mascara and my lashes. So now I'm gonna do a highlighter. So this is travel size Becca in Champagne Pop. Walaupun dia kecil, tapi dia still ada cermin. Lastly, lipstick. I'm just gonna use Wet n Wild shade Bare It All. This is my favorite lipstick. So I'm just gonna put on some glosses on top of my lipstick. I'm gonna spray this to make my makeup last longer. Okay, so my makeup is done, and yeah, what do you think about this foundation on me? Does it look good? Because I'm kinda like it. So this is the first video that I'm gonna do check-in. Like I'm gonna keep you the update about how long this foundation will stay on my face and look like this. So here is my makeup that is freshly applied, and then I'm gonna come back like so maybe about 3:30. I will keep you updated about this foundation. Okay, so far I really like this foundation. It makes all my makeup easily blend and not too matte, not too dewy punya finish. It doesn't look like heavy or anything, so it still look like my skin, right? So stay tuned if you want to know how my face will turn out after wearing this foundation. About 5 hours, I think. Less than 5 hours, I think. Hey guys, so I'm back. with my makeup still on my face. So it has been about 3 or 4 hours since I first apply my makeup. I first applied the foundation about 10:30 and finish my makeup 11:30. So now it is around 3 p.m. like that, maybe about 4 hours macam tu. So this is my makeup look after 4 hours. I tak pergi mana-mana pun, I duduk rumah je. But I ada tidur sekejap, take a nap because I really sleepy, and then buat kerja rumah sikit. And now I'm decided to basuh muka lah. For the disclaimer, I didn't touch up, I didn't do any touch up, didn't put any macam dab-dab pakai tisu ke pakai bedak ke, tak buat langsung. So I just biarkan je makeup I macam ni, walaupun I baru bangun. Tadi ada tidur sekejap, so bila you tidur kan lagi bertambah kan muka you jadi oily kan. So maybe kalau I tak tidur dia kurang oily, I tak tahu. Tapi so far makeup I still on, but it just look a little bit oily, like glowing macam tu. So far I think I like this foundation because maybe not the best foundation, but one of my favorite. My favorite foundation might be Born This Way foundation from Too Faced. So this one might be like second foundation because I didn't regularly use full coverage foundation. So I like this kind of formula. If you want to achieve natural makeup, like everyday punya makeup, this foundation is really suitable for you. So yeah, I really recommend for you to try it. For the price and for the brand, is really affordable. 50mm also, really a great bargain. Yeah, I think I end my video here. So thank you guys for watching. This is the first time I do first impression like this. Maybe in the future I will do another first impression like this, like check up, like like Tati. I think she's the only YouTuber that I know. Maybe banyak lagi, tapi dia yang paling famous, yang selalu buat macam check up pakai, lepas tu check up tunjuk macam mana update semua sampailah dia nak buka makeup tu supaya macam fair lah, review tu jadi macam fair. So I really don't mind my greasy oily face because the makeup is still on, because my skin will get oily no matter what product that I use. So I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much guys for watching till the end. If you make it till the end, so thank you so much for sticking with me. So yeah, I see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video, and comment down below if you have any favorite foundation, or if you already tried this foundation, so what is your opinion on this particular product. So yeah, I see you guys in my next video. So bye.